Howdy, I'm Derek from Heckler. Today, let's walk through the installation steps for your Heckler ADA panels. You'll see how Heckler ADA panels are the convenient, cost-effective, and aesthetic solution for redefining the circulation paths near your video meeting systems. We'll cover the installation of a single panel. We'll also cover the process to precisely install multiple Heckler ADA panels in any array of shapes and sizes. Before we begin, let's cover what's included in the box. Along with your panels or panel pairs, we've included installation templates along with convenient push pins, drywall anchors, panel mounting standoffs, screws, and washers, and panel mounting cones and screws. For best results, have the following common tools handy: a tape measure, a bubble or spirit level, a laser level, which is not required but they tend to make things a lot easier, a good quality stud finder, in this case we'll be using it to avoid studs, a pen or pencil, some masking tape will come in handy to avoid permanently marking your walls, Post-it notes, you'll see what we've got planned for these later, a power drill or impact driver with a number 2 Phillips bit, we'll be using this for the drywall anchors, and a Phillips screwdriver. Let's begin. First, let's mark the wall. Measure 27 inches up from the finished floor. Then place a piece of masking tape and mark the point. Next, put a long strip of masking tape horizontally across the full distance where your panels will be mounted. Apply this tape at about 3 feet above the ground, but the height's not terribly important. Next, run your stud finder along the tape and mark the left and right edge of each stud in this area. We'll use conventional drywall anchors for this installation, so we want to avoid drilling into a stud. Next, let's pin your templates to the wall. You can install your panels at any height you choose, as long as some portion of the panel is at or below the 27-inch mark. For reference, we'll use the tape and mark from earlier. Pin the template to the wall using one of the push pins we've supplied. Pin through the centered triangle shape in the template. Next, let's level the template. If you have one, this is a great time to use your laser level. Project the beam across the top edge of the template. If using a bubble or spirit level, simply hold the level to the top edge of the template and center the bubble. Once your first template is level, pin through the triangle cutouts to hold the template level. Repeat the process until you have all wall templates in place, then mark the mounting positions with your pen or pencil. Square panels have 4 mounting positions, longer panels have 6 mounting positions. The mounting positions are these circular holes on the template. Once you've mounted your first ADA panel, installing additional Heckler ADA panels of any shape or size is a breeze. Just use your supplied templates and existing measurements to repeat the process for each panel. A 4 to 8 inch gap between panels will create an accessible circulation path. Now that all the mounting positions are marked, let's remove the templates and fasten the drywall anchors into the drywall using your power drill or impact driver and number 2 Phillips bit. Next, use your Phillips head screwdriver and fasten the panel mounting standoffs to the wall with the included screws and washers. Be sure to use the washers. They help to enable easy angle adjustment once your panels have been installed. Snug the standoffs to the wall, but don't over-tighten the screws. You may still want slight panel angle adjustment after each panel is installed. On the back of each Heckler ADA panel, fasten the provided panel mounting cones with the included screws. In some cases, your panels may ship with these parts pre-installed. If that's the case, you're welcome. Install the panel to the wall by aligning the cones to the standoffs. Pop the panel in place by firmly pressing or thumping the front of the panel's corresponding mounting points. For consistency with other panels and other Heckler products, check to make sure the texture of the fabric is parallel to the floor. Check to ensure each panel is level. You can twist the panel to slightly adjust its angle. Next, repeat these steps for each of your remaining Heckler ADA panels. And that's it. You've now increased your circulation path by 3 inches around and above each panel, enabling displays, cameras, and other gear to protrude off the wall up to 7 inches, making your meeting spaces more accessible, beautiful, and effective for all. Thanks for joining me. For more details on Heckler ADA panels, follow the link in the description or visit heckler.com.